So, okay.
You start analyzing the data, then one fine day you'll find that the machine is broken down, and you look at the data to understand the data is garbage. And unless you've got an IT support, a very strong IT support to understand and analyze the data is just going nowhere.
We're very complementary because you really come out of the process environment, I come out of the IT environment. That really goes together.
The first thing that typically comes in is when you walk into a plant. It could start with a regular inspection.
When I introduced robots in self-operated routes, they spot a leakage sooner than an operator would do. So even if a much smaller leakage would be detected much sooner before they even got someone to pick it. So that's that whole story comes together from collecting various data sources. Because it's by data, but you also need often SAP data. All the data we bring them into an enterprise data platform. We apply various parts of analytics on top of it, and then we make it visible in a digital twin, or the Copilot of Microsoft, or in a chatbot of them. But that is then you bring that whole end-to-end story together.
I was looking at the demo. It's very powerful.
Yeah.
I don't think we had anything similar when we were operating the plant.